How you can build wealth in 2025. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic for anyone looking to build wealth in 2025. In a world filled with tempting advertisements and instant gratification, losing sight of our financial goals is easy. This video will explore practical strategies to help you identify and eliminate those impulse buys that can drain your savings. We'll discuss how small changes in your spending habits can lead to significant financial growth over time. By the end of this video, you'll have actionable tips to help you prioritize your spending, create a budget that works for you, and ultimately build a solid foundation for your financial future. Whether you're saving for a dream home, planning for retirement, or simply looking to improve your financial literacy, this video is designed to engage and inform you. So, stick around as we uncover the secrets to making smarter financial choices and paving your way to wealth in 2025. Understanding wealth building. Wealth building is the process of accumulating assets and resources over time to achieve financial security and independence. It goes beyond simply earning money. It involves strategic planning, smart investments, and disciplined saving. In today's economy, where inflation and rising living costs can erode purchasing power, understanding wealth building is more important than ever. The long-term benefits include not only financial stability, but also the ability to pursue your passions, support your family, and contribute to your community. Financial literacy plays a crucial role in wealth accumulation. When individuals understand concepts like budgeting, investing, and interest rates, they are better equipped to make informed decisions that enhance their financial health. This knowledge empowers you to recognize opportunities and avoid pitfalls that can hinder your progress. Moreover, making informed purchasing decisions is vital in the wealth-building journey. By distinguishing between needs and wants, you can allocate your resources more effectively, ensuring that your spending aligns with your long-term financial goals. Ultimately, wealth building is about creating a sustainable future for yourself and your loved ones. Identifying unnecessary purchases. When it comes to building wealth, identifying unnecessary purchases is a crucial step. Common items that often hinder financial growth include brand name clothing, expensive coffee, and frequent dining out. While these purchases may seem harmless in isolation, they can add up significantly over time. For instance, spending $5 on a coffee every day translates to over $1,800 a year, money that could be invested or saved for future goals. Similarly, opting for brand name clothing instead of more affordable alternatives can lead to inflated expenses without a corresponding increase in quality. These choices can create a cycle of spending that distracts you from your wealth-building objectives. To take control of your finances, evaluate your spending habits critically. Ask yourself whether each purchase aligns with your long-term goals or if it's simply a momentary desire. By being mindful of your spending and prioritizing needs over wants, you can redirect those funds toward investments or savings, ultimately paving the way for a more secure financial future. Shifting mindset towards spending. A significant aspect of building wealth lies in shifting your mindset regarding spending habits. It's essential to prioritize needs over wants, allowing you to focus on what truly matters for your financial health. This shift can help you make more intentional choices, ensuring that your money goes toward essentials and long-term goals rather than fleeting desires. Introducing the concept of delayed gratification is vital in this process. By learning to wait for a purchase rather than acting on impulse, you can cultivate patience and discipline. This approach not only helps you save money, but also enhances your appreciation for what you eventually acquire. To cultivate a wealth-building mindset, start by setting clear financial goals. Create a budget that reflects your priorities and stick to it. Additionally, practice mindfulness when shopping. Ask yourself if a purchase aligns with your goals or if it's just a temporary craving. Surround yourself with positive influences, such as books or podcasts about financial literacy, to reinforce your commitment to a wealth-building journey. With these strategies, you can transform your spending habits and set yourself on a path to financial success. Investing in assets. Instead, investing in assets that appreciate over time is a fundamental strategy for building wealth. Unlike liabilities that drain your finances, appreciating assets can grow your wealth significantly. Examples of such assets include stocks, real estate, and mutual funds. Stocks can provide substantial returns through capital appreciation and dividends, while real estate often increases in value and can generate rental income. Mutual funds offer diversification, allowing you to invest in a variety of assets without needing extensive knowledge. One of the key benefits of investing in these assets is the power of compound interest. When you reinvest your earnings, your money can grow exponentially over time. This means that the earlier you start investing, the more you can benefit from compounding, leading to greater wealth accumulation in the long run. It's crucial to consider your investment options seriously. Take the time to research and understand different asset classes and think about your risk tolerance and financial goals. By making informed investment decisions, you can set yourself up for a prosperous financial future and watch your wealth grow over time. Creating a budget. Creating a budget is a vital step in supporting your wealth-building journey. A successful budget typically includes several key components: income, fixed expenses, variable expenses, savings, and discretionary spending. Start by listing all sources of income, then outline your fixed expenses, such as rent or mortgage, utilities, and insurance. Next, account for variable expenses like groceries and entertainment, and don't forget to allocate a portion for savings and investments. Tracking your expenses is crucial for understanding where your money goes. Use apps or spreadsheets to monitor your spending habits, which can help you identify areas where you can cut back. Setting clear financial goals, whether it's saving for a vacation, a new home, or retirement, will give you a target to work towards and keep you motivated. Sticking to your budget is essential for wealth accumulation. It requires discipline and commitment, but the rewards are worth it. By adhering to your budget, you can ensure that you're consistently saving and investing, ultimately paving the way for a more secure financial future. Remember, a well-planned budget is your roadmap to financial success. Building an emergency fund. Having an emergency fund is a crucial aspect of achieving financial security. An emergency fund is a savings reserve specifically set aside to cover unexpected expenses, such as medical emergencies, car repairs, or job loss. Its primary purpose is to provide a financial safety net, allowing you to navigate unforeseen circumstances without derailing your financial goals. To start building your emergency fund, aim to save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. Begin by setting aside a small, manageable amount each month, gradually increasing your contributions as your financial situation improves. Consider opening a separate savings account to keep your emergency fund distinct from your regular spending money, making it less tempting to dip into. The peace of mind that comes with having an emergency fund is invaluable. Knowing that you have a financial cushion allows you to plan for the future with confidence, reducing stress during challenging times. By prioritizing this fund, you're not just protecting your finances, you're also empowering yourself to make informed decisions and pursue your wealth-building goals with greater assurance. In today's video, we explored the essential strategies for building wealth by stopping unnecessary purchases. We discussed how prioritizing needs over wants can significantly impact your financial health and the importance of shifting your mindset towards spending. By identifying common items that hinder wealth accumulation, such as brand-name clothing and expensive coffee, you can make more informed choices that align with your financial goals. We also highlighted the significance of investing in appreciating assets, creating a budget, and building an emergency fund to ensure financial security. Each of these steps plays a vital role in your journey toward wealth accumulation and long-term financial stability. Now it's time for you to take action. Start by evaluating your spending habits and setting clear financial goals. Remember, every small step counts toward achieving your dreams. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with friends who might benefit from these insights. Together, we can build a community focused on financial empowerment and success. Thank you for watching.